You bought a Monstera because you wanted those massive, iconic split leaves. But instead, you're looking at small, solid green leaves, or even worse, yellow edges. Most people think they just need more water, but that's actually the fastest way to kill them. Today, I'm showing you the 5-step blueprint to master Monstera care, including a hidden trick at the end that can double your leaf size in a single season. 1. Light. Let's talk about those holes, technically called fenestrations. They aren't just for looks. In the wild, they let light reach the lower leaves. If your plant is solid green, it's starving for light. You want bright, indirect sun. Pro tip: if you can see your shadow clearly on the wall behind the plant, the light is perfect. If the shadow is blurry, move it closer to the window. 2. Watering. Watering is where most plant parents fail. Instead of a schedule, use your senses. Stick your finger 2 inches into the soil. If it's dry, soak it until water runs out the drainage holes. If it's damp, walk away. 3. Soil. Monsteras are epiphytes. They actually grow on trees in the wild. That means they hate heavy, suffocating dirt. You need a chunky mix. 50% high-quality potting soil. This provides the base nutrients and moisture retention. 20% orchid bark. This is the most important part. It creates large air pockets and mimics the tree-climbing environment of the rainforest. 20% perlite or pumice. These volcanic rocks prevent the soil from compacting over time, ensuring water flows straight through. 10% worm castings. Think of this as nature's slow-release fertilizer. It adds essential microbes and nutrients without burning the roots. This mix creates air pockets so the roots can breathe. If your soil looks like a solid block of mud, your plant is at risk for root rot. 4. Humidity. These plants breathe through their leaves. In a dry room, they struggle. You don't need a fancy greenhouse, just group your plants together to create a mini microclimate, or use a simple pebble tray. Coming up next, I'm showing you that one physical addition that changes the growth habit of this plant entirely. 5. How to make it huge. If you want giant leaves, you have to stop letting your Monstera crawl across the floor. In the rainforest, they climb. Give them a moss pole or a cedar plank. Once those aerial roots latch onto a vertical support, the plant feels safe enough to put its energy into massive split leaves. Bonus tip: wipe the leaves with a damp cloth once a month. Dust is literally a blindfold for your plant. Clean leaves absorb 20% more sunlight. Caring for a Monstera isn't about luck, it's about mimicking the jungle. If you want to see exactly how to increase humidity and fix brown tips, check out this video here. Don't forget to subscribe to The Daily Eco for more green tips. Now, go give your Monstera some love.